We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother Intellifax 2840. So, first thing first, open your tray, and right here, this is your max level indicator. So you never want to fill above the indicator. If you do, it causes the paper to be too tight. So when the rollers are picking up the paper, it's unable to do that, and then result causes a jam. Or it can pick up more than one piece of paper at a time, which causes a jam as well. So make sure you don't fill over that. Then you have these little adjustments here. You can adjust it to the size of the paper that you have. Make sure that's in the correct setting. If it's not, then the rollers won't be able to pick up the paper because it won't recognize it. Another good tip, when you are adding paper to your tray, you never want to just add the paper on top of it. So you don't want to take your new paper and just stick it in there in the tray on top of it, because this could be unaligned and this could curl and result causing a jam. So what I like to do is take my old paper and my new paper, put it together, fan it out. Sometimes the condensation in the air will definitely make the pages stick together, so I like to fan it out so I know that they're not doing that. And then I align it so I know that they're all going to go in the right way. Stick it in your tray. You should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.